I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Tomcat server on this Windows machine. So first here, in Google search box, write there Tomcat server. Then you can go on this Tomcat Apache org site. So let's click this. Then you can see here, this is the page. So 9 version released on this date, and this year 11 version released on this date. So they're going to download 11 version, so that here click on this download. Now you need to scroll down. Here you can download all these files. There Windows zip installer, here zip file. So let's use the installer, Windows Server installer. So executable file is now downloading. So this done here. After that, simply you need to click on this executable file. You can see Apache Tomcat server. This come from Apache Software Foundation. Let's click on yes button. So let's click on next. Here I agree. Let's include here host example. There you need to click on this next. This here server, Windows Server service name Tomcat 11. Let's give the username, and this here you need to give the password. Manager GUI, admin GUI, that's fine. Here you can see HTTP and 8080 is there. So this is the port 8080. Now let's click on next. So automatically ZDK24 that's taken. So if I open this place command prompt, right there Java --version. Then here you can see Java 24 version that installed. So first you need to download and install ZDK. ZDK you need to download and install. So this automatically detected. After that click on next, and this location where Tomcat server is going to install. Simply you need to click on this install button. So now you can see Apache Tomcat setup installing. This completed. Thereafter this checked here, run Apache Tomcat. Let's click on this finish. So servers manager is attempted to start a following service. Now thereafter here going to check whether Tomcat server is running or not. So here this is the port number, this is the local host. Now let's paste there. So here you can see that I just installed 11 version of this Apache Tomcat 11, and if you are seeing this, you have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. So this is the most simplest way we can install Tomcat server on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.